Right, if you sense it's a bit noisy where you are, mute yourselves. But I do need you to speak so we can do like a class lesson. Is Ella here? I don't remember seeing Ella.
Yeah.
Okay, just didn't see on the vid. All right, now let me just call this up first. There's our school camera. This is the last average. There are three types of averages: mode, median, mean. This is my favourite one because it includes every little piece of data in the story. I'll show you what I mean in a moment. It's a very, very inclusive piece of data. If it's you shaking around and rustling, stop. I can't concentrate. It's not going brilliantly, this. That's semi-brilliant. Whatever. I'm going to read. The mean is a type of average. I'm on page 246. The mean, no, to find the mean, you find the mean by adding all the numbers in the list all together and then dividing by how many numbers there are. So you're averaging out. So Tom records how many goals he's scored each month for 6 months. So this is his goal average he wants to work out for 6 months, presumably in a football season or maybe as part of the school football team. I don't know. It's probably a year 7 kid. It's a year 7 book. So that's Tom's story. And so he's adding up all his goals. 6, 9, 7, 9, 12, 8. So the first step always is don't write out the list of goals, just show that you're adding the list. So he's got a total of 51 goals over 6 months. Did we say over 6 months? Literally divide by 6 months so we can find the average number of goals he's scored in that season. So 51 total divided by 6, we've got 8.5 goals. Now the admission is Tom can't actually score 8.5 goals, and often the mean you calculate won't be a number in the list. Well, clearly 8.5 goals won't be in the list because you can't have half a goal. But he might have got a whole number answer, which is still not in the list, all right? So if you get a decimal like that, then that's not likely to be in the list unless it's a list of decimals. But that doesn't mean to say that you can't have a whole number answer that's not in the list. Let me give you an example. I've got an 8-year-old child and a 10-year-old child. What's their average age? Does anybody know? I can't hear you. I agree. I've got an 8-year-old and a 10-year-old, and the answer on average is 9. Does that mean I have a 9-year-old as well somewhere? I do not. Correct. Is that you, Chioki?
Yes.
Thanks for helping us out. So what we're going to do, not all of it, is question 3. Then I think I set question 6, 7, 8, the wordy ones, and some extension-y ones. They just look really, really good. And obviously, if you log in again and see those questions, then that'll be fine. We don't need the camera anymore. Zidan, are you here?
Yes.
Excellent. So this is how you should set it out. This is question 3B. I did not write the numbers as a list just to only go ahead and add them. I just showed the list of numbers and me added them in one step. Why copy out the question when really I've copied it out and I'm adding? So the total here is 38. So Zidan, this gets me a mark. Boom. And then I get a mark for this bit, 38 divided by 4. Why? Because we got 4 numbers in the list. And then I get a final mark for the 9. So on average, that list of numbers, working out the mean average, we have 9. And can you see that 9 is actually in the list, as it turns out? It's there. It didn't have to be. So I felt very happy with myself, and I gave myself 2 strands of hair. Is that all right? Thank you. I think if Alice get another little black one in the middle, there you go, hairstyles. Awesome. So that's great. I'm guessing you understand this quite easily, but it's something we need to do. And So what I've written in your show my homework is do question 3, all of it. Do question 6, it's a standalone one-off. It's a word problem. Question 7 and question 8 also EXT word problems. Is that all right? Not difficult. Read it carefully. And don't be baffed by any of the answers. Just present it, and I'll give you feedback as soon as I get around to marking. Again, it's a short bit of work. Try and get it back to me today because we've got a lesson tomorrow. And sorry, it's all very cramped, but I'm just setting little bits. I know if we were in class, we'll do a whole heap more. And you keep coming up and down, and I'll just give you feedback, and you check it and fix it. And everyone's flying at 90 miles per hour. We can't do it like this because I can't see your books. I get to see all of it that you send me, or none of it if you don't send it. So please send all of it. Thank you. Let's get back into the room together. If there's no further questions, could you put your videos back on, please? If you would. Right. Am I still sharing the screen or what? What am I doing? Can you see each other? As agreed. Okay, Ibrahim should not be here. That's naughty boy. No, he's allowed to be here. That's very, very good. No, that's good. It's good. It's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Jordan's here is good. 12. I've got 3 kids missing. We're going to say goodbye now, aren't we? So we can do our work. Maybe they switched off their video. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. All right, we are going now, and we're going to work out some means. Right, Hudson? He agrees. Okay. So see you later, guys. It's always good to see you. What's he got in his mouth, that boy? Anyway, I'll let you go. See you later, guys.
Bye.
Good to see you. Great to see you.